Okay, go. Tell us about your experience. What happened? Say it now.
I graduated in 2015. And then I found this class. Spoke to Jason, really nice guy. I took the class. He's really persistent with the work that he gives you, but it's all well worth it. After I left this class, I felt definitely like I got something out of it. You learn a lot. He's very detailed in what he does. He's
That's
awesome. And after I left here, I started my DBA search, and I worked for two IT companies since I left here, and then this.
Wait, don't skip that part. Right? Okay, how much did they offer you first? And how quickly did you get that first job? Tell me now.
I got my first job within maybe 2-3 months.
That's it. That's it.
Then,
lazy student. Look at them. How much did they pay you, the first job?
My first job, I was making about $35 an hour.
Okay, that's
Second
it.
job, the same amount. And then here over at Salient, CRGT, I made $50 an hour, so about $140 a year. So yeah.
You see that?
Yeah.
You see that?
25 years old.
25. How old are you again?
25 years old.
20. Oh my God. 25 years they were making 6 figures. Look at it now. Okay. Okay. Tell us how's the interview? Saints.
The interviews, they're what he tells you.
Look at
They are
it.
what he tells you.
Yeah, it is.
He won't let you down preparing you for the interviews. The work is definitely what he says it is when he persistently tells you to do your homework, because it's definitely what will help you succeed. And I can't really say too much.
Did you have to get certificates after this class, or you just went straight for searching?
I started searching it while I was getting my certification at the same time.
That's it. So,
My eye.
wait.
You just. I'm gonna give him all the right questions.
Okay, ask him.
Okay.
Ask him.
Do you
Don't keep me
feel
here for too
the
long. We have to get back to
information that you
work.
got from here,
Say it again.
do you feel the information that you got from teacher here, Sir Jason, was sufficient and to qualify you to get the job done at work?
Very much so. Very much.
It's just the homework that we do on a weekly basis, or
The homework you're preparing.
okay,
for
is very similar to what you.
That's what I see every day.
Okay, do you enjoy what you are doing?
I do.
Okay, how hard is it at work?
How hard is it? It's not too hard at all.
It's not too hard.
Everything's pretty verbatim.
Does it give enough time to chase women?
Were you? Where were you in this class?
Where was I?
No, when did you take Jason's class?
8 months ago, he said.
No.
I took this class. Wow. Has it been 2 years yet?
I don't think it's been 2 years.
It's been a year?
I think
I think.
I have to go back.
I graduated in 2015, so early 2016.
Yeah. I think it was like summer. It was hot.
Yeah,
Like
because I started in February 2016.
was it February 2016? Oh, so then you graduated like April. Then you took the advanced class again.
Yeah, I took the advanced class.
Then around May. Then you finished in May 2016. Then you gotten 3 jobs
Yeah.
since you left there.
And how did you, when you were applying for the jobs, how did you go about it? Did you use headhunters or did you use like aggregators like Indeed, and what did you use?
I've used Indeed, Monster, Dice, all these.
Okay.
IT.
That's it.
Yeah.
And during the interview, being young as your age, he didn't tell you what experience do you have in the class?
Yeah.
I mean, in other previous jobs?
So with that, when you're able to like explain and show like some of the things that you can solve, some of the solutions that you can solve during the interview questions, then you can basically bypass some experience of years of actually.
So, hold on a
So
second.
even without certificates, what you told them on how you can solve the problem is not a question.
I have my certificate.
Oh, you got your certificate. So do you feel after taking this class, I mean, and you do your homework, you are, ready to take your class and pass that class without
That's
any problem?
the exams.
Huh?
Interview?
The exams, I think he's.
The exam.
The exams, yes.
So, I have a question for you, if you don't mind, Sammy. So you have your OCA and your OCT? Okay, so how long after you finished your class did you take your certification exams?
I would say about 2 months after.
Why did you wait?
Why did I wait? I can't really answer that question.
Okay.
Yeah. can't really answer.
That's a 20-something years old average. Okay.
Now, is the job as lax as he says it is? You know, you do maybe 2 hours worth of work, and then you on Netflix for a couple hours, and do another couple hours worth of work, and then...
The system is generally running smooth, so for the most part, monitoring backups and initializing commands and granting privileges and different things like that.
That's it.
It's not.
Is that what
how much are you making at your current job?
Is that 104?
104.
104 now.
But you have the rack and data guard under your belt now?
Did you
thinking
have that
about bumping
before?
up after this?
Oh, well, maybe. Yeah.
He's comfortable.
So did you go for it? You went for junior positions even though you had the advanced?
I was just searching for DBA positions in general first. So yeah.
Any other questions, you lazy students?
Did you start you started searching for jobs after you passed all 3 tests, the online, the admin 1 and admin 2?
No, so I was, like I said, I was interviewing while I was in the midst of taking my exams at the same time, so just to make sure.
Do they ask if you have already been certified when you're interviewing and things? Were your interviews on the phone or face to face?
So usually it's first round interviews on the phone, and then you get the most detailed questions, and then from there that's when they go on to ask you for a second round interview. Second round interview is usually not an interview. It's like
This is what it is. Yeah. So how long? Once you were doing your interviews and you're confident, how long were your interviews over the phone?
With interviews over the phone, they're about. If they really like you, you'll probably be on the phone for maybe 30, 40 minutes. If it's short, then yeah.
Are you full-time or on contract?
Say it again?
Are you on full-time job or contract?
Full-time.
Do you think that the jobs were concerned much about you having a degree, or do you think somebody without a degree and the same other qualifications as you would get, offered the same pay, or?
I mean, it depends on the company. Like, my friend Randy is actually doing the same thing. He didn't take this class, but he's doing the same thing. He doesn't have a degree at all. So.
How old are you again? I did ask you guys. I'm asking him.
How old are you?
How old are you?
I'm 20. I'll be 20. Actually, I'll be 25. May 24.
Oh, so you're 24.
I'll be 25 this month.
So you're 24.
He's 25. He
I'm
said
25.
He will be 25.
So you're 24 right now.
The job as a 24-year-old. He got the job as
Technically, you're 24 going to 24.
No, he got a job like when he was 23. Okay, that's enough. Anybody have any questions?
No, sir.
How would you rate the difficulty of the OCA and OCP?
Like, has he told you that?
Don't say anything. Don't say anything on tape.
Well, they wrap it up.
Don't say anything on tape. All right?
Just
All right.
study her.
Good.
That's my
Good.
question. Is there like some outside of, in terms of class, are there like supplemental videos or things that you did to like bridge the gap to be prepared, or was it just reviewing your materials that you went over in class?
I mean, because I think it was just the class. I don't think that I was extensively like using outside sources after I was here. Yeah.
Okay.
There you have it, folks.
Yeah.
All right.